In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Storefront theme fast and easy for your WordPress site. Storefront is a versatile and professionally designed theme by Automattic, tailored specifically for WooCommerce. It's widely appreciated for its seamless integration and performance. So let's dive in and get your site looking sleek with this fantastic theme. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub and where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Next, click on Appearance. This section is where you control how your website looks and feels. Under Appearance, you'll find the Themes option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the page with all your currently installed themes. We're now going to add a new theme. You'll see a button that says Add Theme. Click on it. This will lead you to a rich library of themes. Here, you can browse through numerous themes, both free and premium. In the search bar located at the top right corner, type in Storefront. This ensures you're on track to installing the right option for WooCommerce compatibility. After a moment, the search results will display the official Storefront theme by Automattic. It's the one you've been looking for, designed specifically with e-commerce in mind. Go ahead and click on Install. Installing is quick and will only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, there will be an option that appears where the install button was. It now reads Activate. Click on this button. Activating the theme will make it live on your website, giving your site a fresh, new look that your visitors will surely appreciate. After activation, navigate back to the Appearance section if you're not automatically directed there, and take note of the Customize button. This button is crucial as it lets you personalize your newly installed theme to fit your brand's aesthetic needs. Inside the Customize panel, you'll find a variety of options to explore. From here, you can tailor your logo and site identity to make sure visitors know exactly whose site they've landed on. Adjusting colors and typography is a breeze and will give your content the perfect backdrop. Play around with the homepage layout to ensure it captures attention and delivers the right information at a glance. Lastly and importantly, you can style your WooCommerce shop and product pages, ensuring every aspect of your online store reflects your brand's professionalism and style. With these customizations, your website will leave a great impression, attract more visitors, and ultimately, customers. Now go ahead and make your website amazing with the Storefront theme. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.